That's right, Skrillex, Bear Noise, Foreign Beggars, LA, London, Dubai. About to get rowdy right now.
Yeah, and my old sound fatter. I make an ex guy look like an actor. So I'm man and I'm a wild like they matter. But when I touch mic, I see them man scatter. And they wanna talk big, but when it comes to bringing the birds, they can't splatter. So I tell them, relax yourself, go home to your mum and stop being a catter. Many guys wanna par, many guys are gonna take this thing far. Many guys are gonna be some big stars, but soon enough them and about to get slapper. So there's no need for chatter, no need for anything cheap, but that's that. Anybody begging a thing for you, smack up, back up, fam, my meat just round back.
Just another point in my game, and I'm the god figure more in the rain. I'm a raw one, too much of a force to contain when I forge through a page full of thoughts of the brain. By any means, I'm putting pure spits to shame. What I'm the scripts too much for the man them, and I keep calm with more shit to spray when I'm letting off. Since I had a clutch on